Hi, vintage bakers! Today I'm in the kitchen making chocolate haystacks.
Rich chocolate mounds of sweet coconut and soft oats. These simple no-bake cookies are a vintage holiday tradition that you've got to try.
This addictingly delicious treat goes by many different names, but all are made with a smooth, velvety layer of chocolate, rich with a deep cocoa flavor, enveloping a tender layer of oats and coconut. The ultimate combination of simplicity and decadence.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make chocolate haystacks.
To start this recipe, I'm going to mix the dry ingredients. To a bowl, add 2½ cups of quick oats and 1 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut. Mix this together and then set aside while we get started with the wet ingredients. In a sauce pot on medium heat, melt a 1/2 cup of butter with 1 2/3 cup of white sugar. While still stirring on medium heat, I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of milk and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Bring the mixture to a simmer, and then I'm going to add in 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Stir on the heat until you have a smooth, uniform, slightly thickened mixture. I'm going to remove it from the heat and carefully pour the hot mixture into the bowl of dry ingredients. Stir this together until all of the dry ingredients are evenly coated in the chocolate. Since this no-bake cookie has many different variations, feel free to mix in any of your favorites now. Some of the most popular mix-ins include chow mein noodles, marshmallows, pretzels, cornflakes, nuts, peanut butter, or potato sticks. We like ours just like this, so I'm going to set this aside for about 15 minutes. This is going to allow the oats to soak up the liquid and for the mixture to thicken. At this point, the mixture has started to hold together and is ready to scoop into haystacks. I'm going to scoop 1 to 2 tablespoons worth of chocolate haystack batter onto a lined tray. We won't be baking these and their shape isn't going to change much, so you can place them relatively close together. Form all of the mixture onto the lined trays and allow them to cool and set. At room temperature, this will take up to 12 hours for them to fully set, but you can pop them into the fridge for an hour to become solid and ready to serve. To make these treats worthy of a special occasion like Christmas, adding a simple drizzle of icing or melted white chocolate with some festive sprinkles is all you need. But this step is optional. These cookies are so simple to make and are a perfect holiday treat or a great addition to any Christmas cookie tin to gift to family and friends. Enjoy! Happy holidays! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.